Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Accounts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access the FIFA 23 via Epic Games launcher and it shows your game failed to launch. An error on our end caused your launch to fail. Try again a little later. So how to overcome this issue? And this is only occurs if you open the FIFA 23 during the update process, which means that in my PC this FIFA starts to updating, but during this update process I mistakenly launched this FIFA setup file. So due to this launch of this setup file, it shows that kind of error message. So I try to close this message and also I am waiting for this update completion process. And this update process is successfully completed. So now I try to play this FIFA 23. But friends, now this time you can see my FIFA is opening very smoothly and it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if maybe this trick not works for you, just try these following two methods. And the first method is just force close this FIFA 23 related apps from your task manager. And also force stop this EA background service. So once you close it and then locate that FIFA app icon and simply right click on it and go to open file location. So here I try to access installer folder and one time launch the setup file, clean up and go back to the one step and also check it if you disable the run as administrator for this FIFA 23 setup file. So once you check it and close all the windows and then try to access your FIFA 23. So I hope this first method maybe works for some users. At same time, if maybe this trick not works for you, just try the second one. So just open that EA app. So here you can locate your FIFA 23 and click on manage. So now I try to repair this entire game files. And this repair process may take up to more time, so be patient. So once the repairing process is completed and then try to launch the FIFA 23 and the second method also will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me, so otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Ons, and thanks for watching.